What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Wardrobe Chronicles. This is a follow-up video from the last video that I posted, because last time I taught you guys how to go shopping on a budget and how to buy good clothes, good quality clothes at a cheaper price. Now that you bought them at a cheaper price, how about we make them look a little more expensive? That's what I'll teach you guys today. So the first stop you want to make after buying those clothes is not at home. You want to stop at the tailor's place. You want to get those clothes fitted right, as perfectly as possible. So guys, the first thing you want to do, the first stop you want to make immediately you leave the shop, is to stop at a tailor's place. Get those clothes tailored to your body. It will make those clothes look expensive instantly. Is it just me, or have you ever observed that the clothes that fit better off the rack are usually sold at a more expensive price than those that have a loose fit? That's where this comes in. So buy the clothes that fit right, especially in the waist and the shoulders. If it's a blazer, you can just buy that and then get them fitted at a tailor's place. That will save you a lot of money as opposed to buying them off the rack at a more expensive price. The second thing you want to do is to accessorize. So by accessorizing, I mean using the little details to make your clothes look better. For example, you can use a pocket square, you can use a watch, you can use a lapel pin, you can use a lapel flower, you can use a tie bar, just to make the clothes look more sophisticated. So when it comes to accessorizing, you don't want to use too much and you don't want to use too little. You just want to have a balance in between. It will not only make you look sophisticated, it will also make it look expensive. The third thing you want to do is mix it up. I'm assuming you won't always be going thrift shopping, or you won't always be buying clothes on a budget, or a tight budget for that matter. Of course, once in a while you'll be investing in clothes that are a little more costly and that are a little better in terms of quality. So those clothes and the ones you bought at a thrift store or the ones you bought on a budget are what you want to mix up. Say if you bought a pair of trousers at a thrift store and you bought a blazer, say at a high-end store, you want to wear them together. It will make both of them look sophisticated. It will make the pants, for instance, in this case, to look more expensive than they really were. Especially if they fit right, they will look absolutely perfect. Tip number 4, always wear good shoes, always. And that's why in last week's video I was talking about investing in good shoes. You want to save up and invest in good shoes so that whatever the outfit you're wearing, your shoes will always look good. Because here's the thing, your shoes will always anchor any outfit that you wear. If you're dressed up nicely and you have bad shoes, it will make you look bad. If you dress up and you have good shoes, it will make you look really good. And it's a way to instantly make any outfit look more expensive. Good quality shoes with the right aesthetic will definitely make your look more expensive, especially if they match and they merge into each other nicely. You'll be good to go. And after you've done all that, guys, it all boils down to confidence. Here's the thing, your clothes only add to what is there. They do not give you what you don't have. So it is really important to be confident in those clothes, because it will really give some character to those clothes, whether they're cheap or expensive. So that will be a definite way to make those clothes look absolutely more expensive. Without spending anything, just be confident in whatever you wear and you're good to go. It will get your outfit from like a 6 to like an 8 or a 9, you know, just because you're confident in whatever you wear. And that, gentlemen, brings me to the end of today's video. If you liked it, be sure to drop a like below. I'd really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I really appreciate you stopping by and watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.